Okay, students, so in a previous video, we looked at the bullseye pattern coming out of the Fabric Pro with the eyepiece. So what we've done now is we've taken the eyepiece out and we replaced it with a line camera that just takes an intensity profile across the bullseye pattern. So if you imagine putting a ruler down across the ring pattern and looking where you get the red dots, this is sort of equivalent to what you'd get. So where we see a peak is where a red ring appears on the Fabric Pro interference pattern. So as you remember, as we increase the magnetic field, the rings started to split into doublets. Let's see what happens on the camera as we slowly increase the field. So we're turning the field right now. See how all of the individual peaks are splitting into doublets? That's exactly what the ring pattern would do that you saw in the eyepiece, and that's exactly how we'll take our data. So the purpose of this video then was just to convince you that the camera is taking the same data that you'd get visually with the eyepiece, but you're able to see it on the computer now. So if we turn the magnetic field back down, we can make the rings merge again. And if we turn the magnetic field back up, we can split those rings again, and so on. So this is how we'll take our data, and we'll get started with that in just a second.